Cap 26 here. We're just doing the repair and tips, and we're going to show you how to close up a pressure tank the proper way using a wrench. This is a wrench a friend of mine made. It's a little bit improved than what you get at factory, and we'll show you how to do that next. So you have your item inside the tank. Obviously there's nothing in the tank right now, and you put your top on like so. Line up all four pins like this, the bolts like this. Tighten both sides at the same time like this. Make sure all the way down. Get it all the way down. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay. Some people like to put Vaseline around the lip here and right around. You tighten it up. And go around with a wrench and you tighten like so. Around like so. Okay, so you go like this in a pattern like that and you tighten up. Okay, and then you do this side. Then you do this side. It'll tighten up somewhat. You don't want to go too tight. You'll know when it's tight enough on there. It's hard to do this. I don't want to be in the way. It's pretty much tight, all four bolts. Then you'd add your ear right here. Make sure your valve is on. And that's how you properly tighten up a pressure pot. Just wanted to show you that. Hope this helps you and have a great day. Rate and subscribe.